Good morning to all. Welcome to Blue Star Science Center School, online class, 12th standard commerce. Okay, now we are going to see continuity chapter of Introduction to Financial Markets. Last class we are seeing the basic general meaning of financial market and what is meant by market, what is meant by financial market, and then we see introduction of financial market and classification financial market in India. It has been classified into two sectors, that is organized and unorganized sector. And later that we are seeing meaning of prescribed meaning of financial market, which is given in your book. And then we are seeing scope of Indian market. And now we are going to be seeing the continuity of scope of market, and this is a type of market. The financial market can be classified into different ways that are classified into n number of types. Now we are going to be seeing types of financial market, how it has been classified and in what ways it has been classified. These are the types of financial market on the basis of types of financial claims, on the basis of maturity of financial claims, on the basis of times of issue of financial claims, on the basis of times of delivery of financial claims, on the basis of the organizational structure of a financial market. And these are the major 5 types. And first one is the, once more I am saying, first one is on the basis of types of financial market, on the basis of maturity of financial claims, on the basis of times of issue of financial market, on the basis of times of delivery of financial claims. And these are the major differences of the these are the major types of the financial market. Let us see one by one. First one, on the basis of financial market is classified into 2 types, debit market and equity market. The financial market is classified into 2 types, debit market and equity market. And what is meant by debit market? Debit market is a financial market of a trading in the debit instrument. The government bonds or securities, corporate debentures or bond. This is a debit market. Debit market na enna pathina, the trading of debit instrument. Adha vandu kadanukku government bonds or securities sale panni buy panni purchase pannana, that is debit market. Debit na enna pathina, you might study in accountancy, debtor creditor debit, which means we are giving the money to the someone else, we are getting the securities. இது வந்து வெறும் கவர்மெண்ட் தான் வந்து இஷ்யூ பண்ணுவாங்க. டெபிட் மார்க்கெட்ன்றது fully handled by the government sector. This is an debit market. Debit market is a financial market for trading in debit institute. Government bonds or securities and corporate debentures or bonds are purchased and sales in the debit market. And on the basis of financial claims, next one is the equity market. What is meant by equity market? Equity market is a financial market for trading in equity shares of the company. ஒரு கம்பெனியோட ஷேர், that is equity share, 2 types of பிரிப்பாங்க கம்பெனியோட ஷேரை. ஒன்று வந்து they are the preference shareholder and equity shareholders. அப்ப ஈக்விட்டி ஷேரை மட்டும் நம்ம சேல் பண்ணி பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணி பை பண்ணோம்னா that is called equity market. In this market they are purchase and selling of equity shares and debentures. This is an equity market. And next, on the basis of maturity of financial claims. What is meant by financial claims? On the basis of financial claims, these are the claims, the 2 types they are classifying, money market and capital market. What is meant by money market and what is meant by capital market? Now we can see what is meant by money market and what is meant by capital market. On money market is the market for the short-term financial claims, usually 1 year or less. அதாவது வந்து மணி மார்க்கெட்ன்றது ஒரு வருஷத்துக்கோ இல்ல ஒரு வருஷத்துக்குள்ளேயோ ஒரு திங்ஸை கிரியேட் பண்ணாங்கன்னா that is money market. Money market is a market for a term of financial claims, usually 1 year or less. It is called money market. Example: treasury bill, commercial paper, certificate of deposit. These are the money market. What is meant by money market? Money market is a market for short-term financial clients, which has been buying and sell. And next one is a capital market. Capital market is a market for long-term financial clients, more than a year. ஒரு வருஷத்துக்கு மேல போறது எல்லாமே என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா கேபிட்டல் மார்க்கெட் தான். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஷேர்ஸ் அண்ட் டிபெஞ்சர்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா வந்து கேபிட்டல் மார்க்கெட்ல பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணி சேல் பண்றது தான் கேபிட்டல் மார்க்கெட். And third one is on the basis of issuing of financial, time of financial, primary market and secondary market. What is meant by primary market? Primary market is a market, the term used to include all the instrument that has been involved in the sale of securities for the first time by the issuer company. Here the money is the investors that goes directly to the issuer. அதாவது வந்து பிரைமரி மார்க்கெட்ல என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க பார்த்தோன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் தான் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க பார்த்தோன்னா அந்த பாண்ட்ஸையோ இல்லை ஷேரையோ சேல் பண்றாங்க அந்த கம்பெனினா தட் இஸ் கால்ட் பிரைமரி மார்க்கெட். அப்ப அந்த பிரைமரி மார்க்கெட்ல தான் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க பார்த்தோன்னா they are selling their shares and debentures. That is an primary market. And ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் எந்த ஒரு கம்பெனி வந்து சேல் பண்ணுதோ அதுதான் என்னன்னு பார்த்தோன்னா வந்து பிரைமரி மார்க்கெட்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஓகேங்களா? நெக்ஸ்ட் அடுத்து வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா செகண்டரி மார்க்கெட். வாட் இஸ் மீன் பை செகண்டரி மார்க்கெட்? செகண்டரி மார்க்கெட் இஸ் a market for the securities is already issued. Stock exchange is imported of an institution in a secondary market. அதாவது வந்து சேல் பண்ண செக்யூரிட்டிஸே என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா வந்து they are selling. அப்ப ரெண்டாவது டைம் அவங்க சேல் பண்ணாங்கன்னா that is செகண்டரி மார்க்கெட்னு சொல்றாங்க. அப்ப பிரைமரி மார்க்கெட்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சேல் பண்ண பொருளை மட்டும் தான் விற்பாங்க. செகண்டரி மார்க்கெட்ல திரும்ப திரும்ப அந்த பொருள் என்ன பண்ணது விற்கப்படுது. பொருள்னும் பொழுது என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா ஷேர், டிபெஞ்சர்ஸ், செக்யூரிட்டிஸ், பாண்ட்ஸ் தான் இங்க திரும்ப திரும்ப நம்ம பொருள்னு சொல்லி சொல்றோம். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஆன் த பேசிஸ் ஆஃப் டைம் ஆஃப் டெலிவரி ஆஃப் ஃபினான்ஷியல் கிளைம்ஸ். அதாவது வந்து ஃபினான்ஷியல் கிளைம்ஸோட அடுத்து வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா ஸ்பாட் கேஷ் ஸ்பாட் மார்க்கெட் ஆர் ஃபார்வர்ட் ஆர் ஃபியூச்சர் மார்க்கெட். அதாவது வந்து கேஷ் ஸ்பாட் ஆன் த ஸ்பாட் மார்க்கெட். வாட் இஸ் மீன் பை கேஷ் ஸ்பாட் மார்க்கெட்? Cash spot market is a market where the delivery of a financial institutions and the payment of cash occurring immediately. That is, settlement is a compulsory immediate. அதாவது on the spot நம்ம cash convert பண்றோம்னா that is cash market. The immediately converted into a currencies. The bond is immediately converted into a currencies or immediately they change into a money. That is called cash market. Next, forward and future market is a market where the delivery of assets and payment of cash take place is a predetermined in the time frame of future. அதாவது வந்து இப்ப வாங்குறதுக்கு ஃபியூச்சர்ல நமக்கு கிரியேட் பண்றோம்னா that is forward or future market. ஓகேங்களா? And next, on the basis of organization structure of financial market, it can be classified into exchange trade market and over counter market. Exchange, what is meant by exchange counter market? Means the exchange, the trade market is a centralized organized stock exchange. It is a standardizing procedure. அதாவது வந்து ஒரு எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் நம்ம பண்றோம்னா with the standardizing procedure, மணின்ற ஒரு டேர்ம் வச்சு எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் பண்றோம். the money has been getting a standardized procedure here. And what is meant by financial market? Over the counter, which means over the counter market is a decentralized market outside the exchange with a customized procedure. With the procedure ஓட நம்ம outer country to country வந்து நம்ம சேல் பண்றோம்னா that is called as exchange market. Over the exchange market. And this is your assignment. Enumerate the kinds of financial market and write the assignment and send through the school app. And your assignment or make noting. And your notes material is given in your website. And we can quick recap the things what we are seeing today. Today we see the types of financial market. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம்னு பார்த்தோம்னா இன்னைக்கு 5 types of financial market பார்த்தோம். அது ஒன்னொன்னோட எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷனும் பார்த்தோம். ஓகேங்களா? அப்ப 5 types of financial market என்ன? On the basis of financial claims, on the basis of maturity of financial claims, on the basis of time of issuing of financial claims, on the basis of time of delivery of financial claims, on the basis of organization structure of the financial claims. These are the types of financial market. And it has been classified into debit market and equity market. What is meant by debit market? Debit market is traded in the debit institutions, that is purely the government bonds or securities. And equity market is a financial market for a trading in the equity share of the company. And on the basis of maturity of financial claims are classified into money market and capital market. Money market, which means within a 1 year, the market can be classified as treasury bill, commercial paper, certificate of deposit. And capital market is a market for a long term of a claims more than the 1 year. This is a capital market. And this is classified into primary market and secondary market. Primary market na enna pathina first time on the securities of bonds that is in primary market. Secondary market like they can be sold accurately already with the that is secondary market. And this is a spot market and future forwarding. Spot market means just mean easy converted into the cash, and forward market is it has been converted for a future time period. And this is an exchange of trade and over the counter. This is an financial market, and exchange within the centralized organization within the country, and over the counter is the based on procedure. And this is your assignment. Make note of this. Thank you to all. Thank you and have a nice day. All the best for your studies. Thank you to all.